What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do, guess what? Hairstyle tutorial. Yes, we did the poll on Instagram and we asked you to choose between matte clay and hyperclay. You guys voted for hyperclay. 65% of you like 15,000 votes, something like this. So I'm gonna show you how the hyperclay works compared to the matte clay that we usually do. So let's go. We're gonna dry it and style it. All right, guys, the key here when I have this kind of length is I try to move the hands around like this with the fingers. I try to move it and move the hair dryer around a little. It's kind of an effect to have the curly hair. So, you know, the hair goes up a little bit and stays pumped. Trust me, if you dry it like this, it's naturally gonna go up. So put the hand in the middle, move it around so you move the root of the hair and hot hair, and there it's gonna go like poof, like this. And that is a perfect situation to apply the hyperclay. You guys should try the smell, it's so good. All right, this is the quantity because we want to put it even on the all hands. They're gonna look like this more or less. There's no white effect. The smell, guys, it's like putting perfume on the hair. It's so good. You know, there's a lot of products that once you put it on, they don't really taste good. They taste like glue. This is, a lot of people, usually my wife always tells me that she loves the smell, this perfume, of this fragrance. So again, same effect. Put the hand inside, move it around. So you have this curly effect, especially if you want it in the front. Then you play with it. Look how gummy it gets. It gets so good to, you know, like you can move it whatever you want. Hyperclay, it's crazy good if you want to make this kind of crazy effect. Make sure to don't put too much product on one side, on one part, otherwise it gets a little shiny. But again, it gets out after like 10 minutes, it gets back to normal. So then I try to put it a little bit down. I mean, then you just go however you like. See, the sides are pretty cool because you move it in the front. And again, if you want it in the front, you want it in the back. When you have this kind of product in, it's just gonna last for even 2 days if you leave it like that, which I suggest not to, but it's perfect. Look how the texture is on the hair. I don't know if you can see. It's just like gives so much texture. There's so many waves going on. So I think this is perfect. I'm just gonna show you how to fix the beard. When I fix the hair, I usually every time, so I don't need to go back every 2 days and do the whole job. I try to clean the cheekbones here so I don't have the long hairs coming back. And what I do that I showed you in another video, I just cut the length like this on the side. I go this, then I do a little part around the ear, so I don't need to go to the hairstylist every 2 days. So, you know, because this one grows pretty fast. You see, so you have this clean effect that looks like you've been to the hairstylist just today. And then a must part for me is this one. I go pretty short and I always try to clean this part so it gives the mouth a little bit more pop. I make a little triangle, you do whatever. I'll suggest the triangle, it just gives more shape. And then that's it. Like, just one key thing here, like you don't want to make it too pointy like this. Let's say, you know, like I've seen some people that always tell me, try to do your hairstyle and have this thing like this. You want to make it this kind of shape, but with the length. And then when you have the length, you just want to make it a little bit more square-ish. So that's more or less it. What we could do. Like this. That's how you do the line. You don't move it around, otherwise it gets a mess. And that's it. All right, everybody, hope this was helpful. I always find it kind of hard when I have this kind of lens before the long one. So I thought it might helpful to make a video, and you guys asked me a lot. So we showed the Hyperclay. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the bell. So every time I make these kind of videos, you guys can look it straight away, because I want to make everything easy for you guys. And that's it. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.